Hello everyone! This course is very well thought out, keeping in mind the demands and suggestions of many students. With this course you will learn Flutter BLoC and Flutter Firebase in a flash. You don't need to be a perfect student. Just do your best for now. Do the best you can until you know better. Then, when you know better, do better. Here's our course to start with to your programming career. Previously, we used it to install Firebase on Android and iOS separately. Now we install all in one through Flutter Firebase. By these real app tutorials, you will increase your Flutter skills much more. This Flutter BLoC course doesn't require any initial block knowledge. It starts from Flutter BLoC Basics in the second section, and you will learn all from 0 to advanced. After that, in the third section, using Flutter BLoC, we make a real app includes functions such as add task, edit task, delete task, change app theme, mark the task as a favorite or unfavorite, mark the task done or undone. Here in the bin folder, you can restore the task, delete the task permanently one by one, or delete all tasks permanently at once, and the app data is stored to local storage using Hydrated Bloc. Furthermore, in the next amazing section, you will learn Flutter Firebase, and we add user authentication to the test app, which is done in the previous section, such as user registration, login with email and password, and reset password. Besides this, all test app functions now work with Firebase. Here, I'll show you. Now I log into an account. This account already has some tasks. It loaded the tasks from the Firestore. Here are the all tasks. Let's delete some tasks. Did you pay attention? Task 1 is deleted parameter was false, but now it's changed to true. Now I delete task 4 and task 5. They are here in the bin folder. Again, pay attention. If I restore the task 1, the is deleted parameter is again changed to false. And here, I can empty the bin folder at once. As you see, they are deleted from both bin folder and Firestore. Now, let's edit the task 3. It all works perfect, and these all functions still work with Flutter BLoC. As we are at the end of my course, I want to add shortly about how much time I spent for this in order to you guys will be really helpful. So, this course is prepared in 5 months hard work. We did our best while preparing it. We hope you enjoy it and will not regret your valuable time and money you spent on this course. The capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, but the willingness to learn is a choice. So start your choice with my courses.